Yang sobat IP hak ni ke episode 14 jangan ni ke Q&A. Pun ngalapan kre katu ni teli kali GK quiz. Jong kami kelaya nak bentaki kena pulih. Kini ke second part jong ke GK quiz ke balada beli hak episode 7. Te shua bangin sedang ke video ngadon ru kawai ke jingkar part kabaret sngau bha ba pinum ya komen ki kentien ki ba lese ki bala ban penduk mensim ki kena pulih kindon hi ki kena pulih ki ba numla lese ki ni ki jingkali mo. Kanu ka jai komen ngam khang ya kata andrei sngau bha wadnum komen ka ban penmong pat ki wai. Manum sim ju ka por gi na poino hak apa sedang jong ke video. Yang ngadon hang ni ban
Manisha.
Nabi?
Fiban. Grace.
Nabi?
Rafi.
Okay. Dia pulih hai.
Semaris.
Kelas
12.
Ya tak. Haus nama you Lara ya kasar na seorang seselong. Kakapo barang don lang baka Assam. First option 1866, second option 1896, third option 1946, fourth option 1956.
Untuk kadenya komdei tambah 1946. 1946. 1896. 1896. 1856.
Kanang ban pensuk am ngan ya dulu pama 19 kam dai show kala DB 18. So the correct answer is between 1866 or 1896.
1866.
Huh?
1866.
Entah lah, final answer correct ai.
1866.
Abi ya tahu bakta bila jawab. First correct answer kali na bakam ay kandiam ma. Karnotli ki district Indian Meghalaya. First option 11, second option 12, third option 9, fourth option 6. Karnotli ki district Indian Meghalaya.
11.
11. Ini yang omik kasi tu. Option. Katway teli, katar teli, kendai teli, bandri teli.
12. 11.
Saya anggap kenal 11.
12.
Bisa anggap 12. Okay, the final answer is the final answer is 12. Kamu dijawab bisa. Bisa dia bilang 12 deh. The last round kabakam kandian. Ready ya? Kapten kemana repeat kan?
Rafi. Grace. Fiban. Mani.
Okay. Kan di final round mah ready mah bara. Ke National Park Kabangidan Meghalaya kabalarung hakatup Biosphere Jongka UNESCO. First option Nokrek Park, second option Balpakram Park. First option Nokrek Park, second option is Balpakram Park. Balpakram asli gitu nagaru.
Balpakram. Number A. Number A. B.
Lain ke bang A, I bang B. The answer is Nokrek Park. Kamu bro lain ke ya correct answer. Give jangan tak lalut lah nasi entah. Nama tak jumpa saya bro. Thank you for participating.
Kapten juga dari Makbon Sering.
Makbon.
Dashran Mon.
Okay, pihak pulih hai.
Mila dia pulih.
Tanya le.
Isu le komputer course hani Adon Bosco.
Okay. Apa kelas ni pulih?
Lah dia master muta. Oh nak sudah muta senam. Jong fishery.
Sengar ko jo.
Which one is the highest peak of Meghalaya? First option Nokrek Peak, second option Shillong Peak, third option Dingyai Peak.
Answer the second Shillong Peak.
Ngar orang kumta ka Shillong Peak.
Kita start lagi ni. First question kilayo correct answer. Who was the candidate for president of India from Meghalaya in 1992? First option George Gilbert Swell, second option Shankar Dayal Sharma, third option Tridip Chaudhary.
Option 1. That's well.
One is 12.
Nang sim efficiency.
Option 3 Tridip Chaudhary.
Chaudhary.
Who was the first candidate for president of India from Meghalaya in 1992? And the answer is G.G. Swell. First option. Kamu TP your correct answer. Kan ini bakam suka last question kan? Karena tadi kita district Indian Meghalaya.
Menta Qatar.
Di
Kamu Khatsan.
San. Lah banjir.
District apa
Kat bala
Kat bala nangkong Riboy East Kasih Hill South option Hajantia Hill don ka West Jantia Hills don ka Kliriat
East ke west sampai Jantia.
tak saya buat ka don ka Eastern West Kasih Hill the South West Kasih Hill West Kasih Hill the Hagarobat don ka South West Karo Hill
kata wilayah kan teli entah.
Tip okay.
The Kabutali district in Himalaya, the correct answer is 12. 12. Kamu pilih jawab baru lay round ada have I prize now. Just for participation. Ma, thank you. Ban Baha. Di sekolah.
Ni training ha dun sko.
Pas ada pas
Pas 12.
Ta. Kini di GK question lah ada jawab lay teli, jawab prize ma. Number 1, where you health minister Jongi Menta. Ngana option. Health minister Jongi Menta amperi ling do. Rakam sangma polling do. Amperin. Dita. First correct answer lah yo. So artillery the jawab artillery lah jawab ma. Mana ba the last chief minister Jongi Shwabandai kondat sangma.
Doktor Mukul.
Jom kondat sangma dah.
Jom kontrak
Last chief minister.
Doktor Mukul.
Kena. Dalam empat laram dah.
Kerto dalam
Ta. Tambah dan bak bakila job dari Dr. Mukul. Layo prize. Angut bakila job ya kata ke quiz. You are the way.
chicken roll.
Chicken roll pi. Bam the chicken roll. Talayo present the chicken roll. Thank you. Who was the first candidate for president of India from Meghalaya in 1992? First option George Gilbert Swell. Second option Shankar Dayal Sharma. Third option Tridip Chowdhury.
First. Itu first option.
First option is Gigi Swell.
JJ Swell option first.
First. Okay.
Third.
So the answer is Gigi Swell. Kamu pick your correct answer. Karena teligi district you don't have Meghalaya. Karena ada option mah, kenapa punya job? Number 1 11, number 2 12, number 3 9. Number 4, 6 district. 12.
Final answer.
Final answer is
9.
9. Okay. The answer is 12. Kamu dan argo tak kadawi job dah. Okay, congratulations. Thank you for playing. Gamdan reka give bahe just small chocolate. Who's the current health minister Jongi Meghalaya?
Health.
Health minister.
I don't know.
Mana option na hangde karau. Nah. First option Dr. Mazel Amperi Lingdo. Second option Rakam Sangma. Third option Paul Lingdo.
Polling dah.
Paul Lingdo. Okay.
Rakam sangma.
Ati kena. Nanti
Oh.
kena. Yang benar tu.
Rakam sangma.
Unfortunately, the answer is Amperi Lingdo. Dan ana bakam sukta. Kenapa punya job mah? Ka Maulunong village, ka Badairu ka Asia's cleanest village ka don hai. First option the Southwest Khasi Hill, second option the West Garo Hills, third option the Riboy, fourth option the East Khasi Hills.
The first option was
Southwest Khasi Hill.
I'll go with the first option.
First option. Ka Maulunong ka don hai.
I'll go the last one.
Last one the East Khasi Hills. Okay, so the answer is East Khasi Hills. Kamu tidur sampai lah ya Rabban you. So dan bak mah filayo last chance manta. This is the final round. Final round ready. Hangnya jala jongi Meghalaya ngidon ya kawai ka railway station. Hai ka dan. Dan option sure.
Nampak.
Nampak. Okay.
Go.
Dalit nampak saya badan ral. Okay.
I don't know.
Should I give option then?
Okay. In Meghalaya.
In Meghalaya. Iran tak away he railway station. 4 option Jaintia Hills.
Garo. What is there? Jaintia is
Is
Garo.
Garo Hill. The Amrit Castle.
Yeah.
Is Castle the railway.
I don't know, but she said Garo, so I said is.
Ini no Jaintia.
Yes.
Exam ke semua. Jadi deh nih.
Same. Jaintia hi.
Jaintia. So kamu Jaintia le tak latih kam deh hira. Alam na I price na Number fortunately, your friend has helped you again. Kamu answer kadai Garo Hills. So pila si job solid number yedan arngan daripada tamaro itu. Kalau pila job pila yo ada price. The price you egg roll.
Chicken roll.
Enjoy your food. Thank you very much for participation ma.